bring your vehicle in for an appointment and not sure what to expect? Well, you've come to the right video. If you're a new Ulmer vehicle owner, your first maintenance will be pre-booked. Or if you're in need of service, just give us a call.
Hello, you'd like to book your vehicle in for an appointment? Okay, how many kilometers does your vehicle have?
Bring your vehicle into our service drive-thru at your scheduled drop-off time, and a service advisor will walk you through what your vehicle is due for. Your service advisor will open your vehicle-specific maintenance schedule to help you determine what is needed to maintain your vehicle.
You're very close to that right at this time. So, as you can see on the chart here, which is the same as in your owner's manual.
Closer to that 72,000 mark, which shows that we should replace your engine air filter, we should replace the automatic transmission fluid.
Once you decide what you'd like to do, we book an appointment for your vehicle in the shop. Then we schedule a pickup time. When you come to pick up your vehicle, we'll go over your work order with you in detail, review your maintenance summary, as well as give you the option to pre-book your next scheduled maintenance.
For the semi-annual maintenance, you can see that we had a few items that we checked off here. So as per your maintenance schedule, that's the same as in your owner's manual, you can see that we performed your 60,000 kilometer maintenance.
After that, we're all done, and you can be at ease with the peace of mind that your vehicle is safe.